Welcome back to the Pablo Kitchen. If you like spicy soup, then this is the soup for you. Spicy Thai coconut curry soup is creamy, nourishing, and packed with complex flavors. Cilantro, lemongrass, and lime juice make this soup so aromatic it'll leave your mouth watering for more. So skip the takeout and try this soup at home. Let's get started. On medium heat, let's add 2 spoons of organic coconut oil, cremini mushrooms, and onions. Sauté for about 3 to 4 minutes until it looks something like this. Go ahead and add carrots, ginger, and garlic and sauté for about a minute. This recipe requires about 4 to 5 cups of water. We're going to add about half now and the rest later. Let's add vegan red curry paste, lemongrass, and coconut milk. This combination of ingredients is key to giving the soup a beautiful aroma. Let's add the rest of the water, soya sauce, and a cube of vegetable bouillon. Boil the soup till the vegetables are tender. Finish off by adding black pepper, lime juice, and cilantro. There's nothing like a comforting bowl of soup in the winter to warm you up. Feel free to pour the soup over rice or noodles for a heartier meal. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!